one of the escorts, or this escort, during our trek to the next checkpoint, the escort and I had a really good connection. And I had a feeling of something and asked if he was a she. And I just knew, and it was like I felt a little tingling sensation in my nethers. My escort ended up being a female, which was good at my time. I'm only 12 years old, and I could still do quite a bit. Didn't really bother me as much, but I was always very interested, like in the women who always, just what the fuck is that? Holy shit! Did you hear that? I can hear something in the. I could hear it. It's like a growling. There it is. Holy shit! Oh, there's someone coming! Oh, I'm getting the fuck! Oh, get away from me! Go! Get! You motherfuckers! Come on!